If your building is listed, two important things. You have a legal duty, if you own it, to maintain it correctly. And you also, if you want to make any changes, material changes to it, you need to get planning permission.
You know, in older stone tenements, it's really important you have things that are breathable, you know, because these buildings were constructed to a different philosophy almost to the newer buildings.
Some of them are nearly 200 years old. They're starting to fall apart now because people are retrofitting with the wrong materials and they're trapping the moisture. Even like the sort of plaster that they use, modern day plaster, that creates a moisture barrier. What's happened is this plaster is not breathable. These bricks are breathable. These bricks are porous, so moisture should be able to travel in and out through this wall, but it's getting blocked by this plaster.
So obviously when you're stripping back these walls, you find a lot of issues with gaps and old fireplaces, cupboards that weren't there originally. So a lot of stuff that you kind of can't really prepare for until you start going.
So there's extensive funding for heat pumps and insulation, but it doesn't seem to be the same amount of funding for maintenance.
To do with maintenance, no. It's fabric first.
Yeah.
There's no point in having wet insulation on a building. You're just holding the cold in.
Yes.
You've got to fix the roofs first of all.
I think that's the real meaning of fabric first, is fix the roof, fix the walls first before you start putting insulation or renewables in.
And that makes a huge difference to your energy costs as well if you've got a dry building.
I think there has to be something to be done, or the stock of buildings in Glasgow in particular, in our case, will eventually become unusable.